Does this look familiar? Are you fed up of searching for the right tool? We have the solution for you. The TBT range of modular tool trays. The trays are specifically designed to fit the Premier range of rollcabs and top boxes. They are supplied with carefully selected Sealey Premier range hand tools to suit the professional technician and benefit from a lifetime warranty. You may be wondering where you keep all those useful odds and ends that normally sit in the bottom of your toolbox. Well, we've got those covered too, by offering a blank tray. These can be mixed in with other tool trays or used individually as shown. Each tray is tailored to fit the drawers, ensuring a precise fit. All you need to do is to choose the configuration to suit your needs. Searching for the right tool is a thing of the past. And when you've finished, you can return your tools to their correct location. This promotes a tidy workshop and reduces the risk of losing your valuable tools. With over 35 different configurations, there's a combination to suit everyone. The TBT tool trays are suitable for the entire range of the Sealey Premier and selected Superline PRO toolboxes. Please contact your dealer for further details.